Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to change your password on the Discord app for PC with the most recent update. If you've been looking to update your account security or simply switch to a new password, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do step by step. First, open up the Discord app on your computer and log in. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your username and profile picture, and right next to it there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Inside user settings, you'll find quite a few options on the left-hand side. If it isn't already selected, click on the tab that says My Account. This section is where all of your main account information lives, including your email and password. Now look for the option labeled Change Password and click on it. A small window will pop up asking you to enter your current password first. This is just to make sure it's really you making the change. After entering your current password, it's time to create your new one. Type in your new password and then confirm it by re-entering it in the box below. Make sure your new password is strong, something that's not easy to guess, and ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your current password, your new one, and confirmed it, simply click on the button that says Done. Just like that, your Discord password will be updated. You'll use this new password the next time you log in, whether it's on this PC, another computer, or the mobile app. And that's all it takes to change your password on Discord with the new update. Keeping your password fresh and secure is a great way to protect your account and your chats. Thanks for watching.